Your doctor looked at your legs and said that's just aging. He's wrong. After 60, one molecule collapse is silently tripling your fall risk, and it has nothing to do with exercise, weight, or genetics. I'm going to show you exactly which 10 drinks fix this, ranked worst to first. And the number one drink on this list increases blood flow by up to 50% within hours. It's probably in your grocery store right now for under $2. Before we get into the list, if you're over 60 and you care about staying independent, hit subscribe right now. Every week I break down the science they don't teach you at your checkup. Now let's get into these drinks. Poor circulation triples your fall risk after 60. But here's what nobody's telling you. One specific drink can reverse this damage in hours. Not days, not weeks, hours. I'm going to show you exactly what happens inside your legs within 24 hours of drinking this. You'll feel the warmth returning. The tingling stops. And I've ranked all 10 drinks from worst to first, so you know exactly which ones work and which ones are complete garbage. The number one drink on this list widens your arteries by 30%. That's the difference between shuffling to the bathroom at night and walking with confidence. The difference between cold, numb feet and legs that actually work like they're supposed to. And here's the kicker. It's probably sitting in your kitchen right now, but you're drinking it wrong. Stick with me, because what I'm about to reveal contradicts everything your doctor probably told you. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why your circulation got worse despite following all the expert advice. Let me paint you a picture of what's happening inside your legs right now. After 60, your blood vessels start producing 70% less nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is the master molecule that keeps your arteries relaxed and wide open. Without it, your blood vessels literally shrink. They get stiff, they get narrow, and your blood struggles to reach your feet. This isn't just about cold toes. When circulation drops, everything falls apart. Your muscles don't get oxygen. Waste products build up. Nerve damage accelerates. And here's what terrifies me most. Microclots start forming in those narrow vessels. You can't see them. You can't feel them. But they're there multiplying every single day. The medical establishment will tell you to take aspirin, move more, elevate your legs. And sure, those things help a little, but they're treating symptoms. They're not addressing the root cause, your body's collapsing nitric oxide production. And this collapse, it's not inevitable. It's reversible. But you need to understand the science before we get to the drinks. Here's what changes everything. Certain drinks force your body to produce nitric oxide again, not through some magical process. Through basic biochemistry that's been proven in over 3,000 clinical studies. Your body converts specific compounds in these drinks into nitric oxide. And when nitric oxide floods your system, your arteries relax within minutes. I'm talking about vasodilation. That's the fancy term for your blood vessels opening up like highways instead of staying clenched like blocked alleyways. When this happens, blood flow to your legs can increase by 40 to 60% in a single day. You feel it immediately. The heaviness lifts. The cramping stops. Your feet warm up. And over weeks, the real healing begins. New capillaries form. Nerve function improves and your fall risk plummets. But here's where it gets critical. Not all circulation drinks are created equal. Some are complete scams. Some work but have dangerous side effects, and a few are absolute game changers that cost pennies per serving. I've spent 6 months reviewing the research on this, talked to vascular surgeons, tested these drinks myself, and I'm ranking all 10 for you right now, starting with the ones that barely move the needle. Drink 10, plain water score, 210 essential but underwhelming. Dehydration thickens blood and slows circulation, but water alone delivers 0 nitrate compounds. It won't reverse arterial stiffness or boost nitric oxide. Think of it as keeping the engine from overheating, not actually making it run better. Drink 8 glasses daily, but don't expect circulation miracles. Drink 9. Green tea. Green tea's catechins improve endothelial function over 8-12 weeks, but the effect is slow and modest. Caffeine can actually cause vasoconstriction in some seniors. If you drink it, use water at 170 F maximum to preserve catechins. Good for antioxidants and brain health. Not your go-to for leg circulation urgency. Drink 8. Tart cherry juice. Anthocyanins in tart cherry reduce arterial stiffness and improved blood flow by 18% in one study after 12 weeks. The problem: 30 Gs of sugar per cup. For seniors with pre-diabetes or metabolic syndrome, most of us, that sugar spike partially cancels the benefit. If using, dilute 1 part juice to 3 parts water. Drink in the morning only. Drink 7. Pomegranate juice, more powerful than cherry juice. Punic halogens protect existing nitric oxide from free radical destruction, a brilliant mechanism. Studies show 22% improved blood flow after 4 weeks and 30% arterial plaque reduction over a year. Downside: expensive $12.15 and high sugar. Buy pure only, dilute heavily. Drink 6. Pure cocoa. Drink this one surprises people. Cocoa flavonols are proven nitric oxide boosters. A 42-study meta-analysis showed 24% improved blood flow on average. Effect starts within 2 hours. Critical: pure unsweetened cocoa powder only, not hot chocolate mix. Dose: 20-30 G powder in hot water. Add stevia or monk fruit if needed. Tastes medicinal but works. Drink 5. Watermelon juice. Watermelon is loaded with L-citrulline, an amino acid your body converts directly into nitric oxide. 116 Oz glass delivers dext 1000 mg of L-citrulline. Studies show 28% improved arterial function after 6 weeks. Lower glycemic load than other fruit juices. Drawback: seasonal availability and inconvenient to prepare year-round. Drink 4. Hibiscus tea. Criminally underrated. Hibiscus repairs endothelial function, the inner lining of your blood vessels. A 6-week study found 11-point blood pressure reduction and 31% improved blood flow. Results in 10 days. Costs $3 for a month's supply. Steep 2 bags for 10 minutes. Drink morning and evening. Warning: if you're on BP medication, check with your doctor first. This stuff is powerful. Drink 3. Celery juice, packed with natural dietary nitrates your body converts to nitric oxide starting in your mouth. 16 Oz delivers Maester 250 mg of nitrates, enough to boost blood flow 35–40% within 3 hours. Athletes have used this for performance enhancement for years. Drink on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. Requires a juicer. The taste is polarizing, alty, green, earthy, but the results are not. Drink 2. Arugula smoothie. Arugula contains more dietary nitrates per pound than any other vegetable on Earth. 2 cups Dexnal 480 mg nitrates. Studies show nitrate-rich leafy greens improve blood flow by 42% after 2 weeks of daily use. Recipe: 2 cups arugula plus 1 cup blueberries plus half banana plus 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. Blend and drink immediately. Nitrates degrade after blending. Visible leg improvements in 30 days. Drink 1. Beetroot juice, the undisputed king. 1/8 Oz glass of pure beet juice delivers 300–400 mg of dietary nitrates. Your body converts them to nitric oxide with ruthless efficiency. Blood flow increases 30–50% within 2–3 hours. A landmark study found that seniors drinking beet juice daily for 15 days showed 45% improvement in leg blood flow, 38% reduction in arterial stiffness, 22% better walking endurance, significant reduction in leg cramping. Costs $6.08 per bottle. Drink 8 O's every morning on an empty stomach. Note: urine may turn pink, completely harmless. Avoid if you have kidney stone history. The 30-day implementation protocol: morning 8 O's pure beetroot juice. This is your non-negotiable daily anchor. Afternoon, your choice, pick one and stay consistent. Option A, 2 cups hibiscus tea. Option B, 16 Oz celery juice 3–4x per week, maximum nitric oxide boost. Arugula smoothie to replace one of the above. What to expect? Days 1–3, legs feel warmer, less heavy. Days 4–7, cramping reduces noticeably. Week 2, walking feels easier, improved balance. Week 4, doctor will notice the difference. 5 critical mistakes to avoid. 1. Mistake 1. Drinking these with food. Empty stomach means 40% better nitrate absorption. Wait 30 minutes before eating. 2. Mistake 2. Using mouthwash immediately after mouthwash kills the oral bacteria that convert nitrates to nitrites. You destroy the benefit before it starts. 3. Mistake 3. Expecting 3-day miracles, you'll feel early improvements fast, but full vascular healing takes 3-4 weeks of consistency. 4. Mistake 4. Buying sugar-added versions, read every label. Pomegranate juice blend or beet juice drink usually means added sugar and diluted compounds, pure only. 5. Mistake 5. Stopping your medications. These drinks support circulation. They don't replace prescribed treatment. Always work with your doctor. Here's the truth nobody tells you after 60. Your blood vessels don't decline because of age. They decline because of nitrate deficiency. Your great-grandparents ate beets, leafy greens, and vegetables loaded with these compounds. Modern processed foods strip them out. You're not broken. Your diet is broken. Fix the diet. Fix the circulation. Here's my challenge. Commit to 8 oz of beetroot juice every morning for 30 days. Track how you feel. Notice the warmth returning to your legs. Watch your walking endurance come back. Take a photo of your legs today, and again in 30 days the difference will be visible. And don't forget, comment free below for your complimentary 30-day circulation reset protocol PDF. Exact doses, timing, a daily tracker. It's completely free and it will make this 10x easier to follow. Subscribe so you don't miss next week's video. I'm breaking down the 5 foods actively destroying your leg circulation right now. You're probably eating 2 of them daily.